9 Indians deported from Turkey for allegedly being ISIS sympathizers have now been released from police custody. According to police in Bengaluru, no evidence has been found linking them to terror. Now, these are 9 individuals who traveled to Turkey on a tourist visa. They were detained at the Turkish border. They were allegedly trying to cross over into Syria, and this included a 46-year-old man, Muhammad Abdul Ahad, and 6 members of his family, along with 2 youth from Khammam in Telangana and Hassan in Karnataka. The group had arrived in Istanbul on a tourist visa on the 24th of December. They were deported less than a week later. Headlines today's Pratibha Raman now joins me with the latest. Pratibha, police questioned these 9 people. What more details can you give us?
That's right. In fact, these people had initially headed to Turkey, and at the Turkish border, their plan was actually to cross over to Syria. This happened on December 24th, 2014. But then the Turkish authorities deported them back to Bangalore. The whereabouts of the reasons why they were deported, what was the motive behind these 9 individuals going over to Syria via Turkey was some of the questions that needed to be answered, and which is why they were picked up immediately as they landed at the Bangalore International Airport on the 30th of January. But then after questioning, the police have found out that there is no proper concrete evidence that can link them as to any kind of motive that would be detrimental to the national security, and which is why they have been released right now.
Okay. Now, why were they trying to cross over into Syria, and is that not evidence that they were ISIS supporters? Why were they trying to cross over illegally into Syria?
But for which you would need some kind of a concrete evidence, whether there was any kind of links that would suggest that they were in touch with ISIS, whether they were in touch with some of the authorities, whether they had browsed any such websites where they had learnt about this. Did they show any kind of interest in these particular lines? These are some of the questions that would have been answered by them, and after which they have found out that there were no such links, and which is perhaps why they have been released right now.
Pratibha, keep tracking that story. I will come back to you for more.